Hi, third graders. My name is Miss Walker, and I wanted to take a minute to teach you how to log into IXL. IXL is a program that we will be using this year for math and reading, and you will definitely need to know how to log in from home if we go to distance learning throughout the school year, and definitely for our distance learners at home. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to get you to our third grade website. There is a link to our third grade website on Class Dojo as well as on our group Facebook page. So if you haven't joined either of those, you might want to join so that you can get to the third grade website without having to type in that long web address. So if you'll give me just a second, we'll switch over here so that you can see my screen. Here we are on our third grade website, and I'm going to hit the Walker's Weather and Wilkie button over here because I am Miss Walker. But if you are in Miss Duke or Miss Flood's class, then you will always enter our website through this button right here. And so I'm going to go ahead and get us going in Miss Walker, Miss Weathers, and Miss Wilkie. And students at home will hit the student portal. And you want to find some helpful classroom links. So I'm going to hit that button right there. And you'll notice IXL is the very first button on the website. So we're going to go ahead and go there. If you wanted to go straight there, you could have just typed in IXL.com and that would have gotten you to the right place as well. So your student was sent home a username and password the first week of school. And it should look something like this. You should have a 2030, which is their graduation year, and then each student got an individual username and password. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my sample student. And the very important thing is at home, the kids are going to have to type in this extra piece of information. They'll type in @Shakota SD. And at school, they don't have to type that in. It's saved on the computer. So if you're having trouble at home, this is most likely the problem right there. Type in their username with @Shakota SD, and I bet you'll get in. And then, of course, you'll type in the password that your student was given, and you'll sign in to IXL. And here we are. Once you're in here, this is the Learning tab right here. And the Learning tab will take you to, you can choose your subject area. So if you're looking for a math IXL, you would go right here to the math button. If you're looking for an ELA, then you would go here. And sometimes Miss Weathers or Miss Duke would be assigning a science or social studies one. So of course you see those subjects right there. As you are in the Learning tab, you might have an assignment that says Find K5. Well, you can see these different skills right here are labeled A, B, C all the way through the end of the page, which is somewhere around DD is the last one. So you see they just go in alphabetical order. And if I said to find K5, you would find the letter K, which is right here, and skill 5. A lot of times your teacher will have those skills starred, and I believe, let me go here and check. I don't see any there on second grade, but if I had assigned a skill, then it would probably have a star beside it, and that helps to draw your attention to the ones that third graders should be looking for. You might also have a link to IXL from Google Classroom, in which case all you would have to do is log in and it would take you directly to the skill that one of your teachers has assigned. So I hope this video has helped you with your login to IXL. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact your teacher by one of our communication methods, which would be email or Classroom Dojo. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight.